Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you guys a new method of shutting down your computer on Windows 8. This is generally for Windows 8 more, but this method also works on Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows Vista. Um, so the reason I'm showing you guys this tutorial is because a lot of people they they don't like the fact that in Windows 8 you can't shut down the computer directly because you have to go to settings and then you go to power over here, and then you have the options to shut down, restart, or sleep, right? So rather than doing this, if you check on YouTube, there's a lot of tutorials on how to make a button, a shutdown button, and then you could just add that to your start menu and you could use that. So that's fine. That's actually that's pretty good, but it's kind of a hassle to start using buttons. I mean, you have to go and use the button every time you want to turn off the computer. So rather than doing that, there is even a shorter method that I'm going to show you guys. So first off, let's just make our shutdown button the same as everybody else. To do that, you just have to go to your desktop. So like right now I'm in my desktop. Right click on your desktop, then go to new, and then click on shortcut. So you got your new this is the shortcut menu, the create shortcut box. And then here where it says type the location of the item, in this field right here, you want to you want to type in exactly what I'm typing here right now. So shut down, and then minus s. Minus s means you're telling it to shut down, and then minus t space 0. So what this does is you're telling the computer to shut down. um, when this icon, when this shortcut is clicked, you're telling the computer to shut down, and then minus t is the time, and you're telling it to shut down in 0 seconds, so right away. So if we put maybe 5, uh, it should wait 5, I believe it's milliseconds, or might be 5 seconds, but I'm gonna put 5 here. Sorry. I'm gonna put 5 here, and then we'll see what happens. So you want to do this and hit next, and you can just type a name for this icon. So I'm just gonna call it shutdown and finish. And now you see this is the new icon we just created. Well, this is the new shortcut we created. Um, so if we double click this right now, it should shut down in 5 seconds. So let's count. There, it's been 5 seconds and it just shuts down right there. So that's the shortcut that's pretty much the shortcut button that a lot of people create. So that's nice. Now once this shuts down, I'm gonna restart it. I'll show you guys what what we can do with this button to make it even shorter, and it'll be the ultimate shutdown shortcut. So let me restart my VM. I don't want to do it on my actual computer because that'll shut down the computer while I'm recording, so won't be you guys won't be able to actually see what's happening. So I'm doing it on a VM right now. So I'll that code I typed in before where it's shut down minus s space minus t space uh, 0, or space, I put 5 in there just to say to give me a 5-second delay. That code I'll put it in the description as well, so you guys can just use that. So what we are going to do is, now that we have the shortcut, we'll change the icon so it looks it has a like meaningful. Let me log in here, enter, and once we change the icon, I'll show you exactly how to make this icon, this shutdown icon, into this shutdown shortcut to become the best, or the ultimate shutdown shortcut on Windows 8. So first off, let's just change the icon here. We'll go to right click your shutdown icon, then go to properties, and see now we click on change icon, It says the file C Windows System32 Shutdown.exe contains no icons. Choose an icon from the list or specify a different file. So what it means is right now there's no icon. That's why it's like um, it's so plain here. There's no icons. So what we're gonna do is you can pick any icon from this list here, or if you want you can browse to another folder and use that icon as well. I'm just gonna use a default icon like this. I'll use this, hit OK and apply and OK. So now we got this is our icon. You don't really have to change the icon, but I just did it so it looks like, you know, you understand that it's a shutdown button. So once you're done that, now we're gonna go on and make this the best shortcut to shut down. Because right now you actually say you're doing work and stuff, you have your windows open, you have to minimize everything, come here, double click this to shut down. So we want to eliminate that step. So to do that, right click the icon, go to properties, and here you see there's a field here called shortcut key. So what you want to do is click on this field right here. It says none right now, so just click here, and now you can type in the keyboard shortcut that you want to use to for this icon. So for instance, um, by default it's gonna add Control and Alt at the beginning, so you can just type whichever key you want. So for shutdown we could do S, so it gives us the shortcut Control plus Alt plus S. You guys can add it any letter or any letter or number you want. So I'm gonna use S. So what this means is if at any time on my computer if I type Control Alt and S, my system will run this shortcut and it will shut down. So let's hit apply, OK, and you see I'll show you guys that I'm not using that shortcut icon, and now I'm gonna press Control Alt and S, Control Alt S, and you'll see in 5 seconds it's gonna shut down, and it gives you a message here, you're about to be signed off, and there you go, the computer just shut down. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's the shortcut to shut down your computer at any time, and it eliminates that step of having to go and click on that icon rather than having to go through that entire process. And a lot of people, that's why a lot of people they complain about it on Windows 8 as well. But you can use this method. Just create a shortcut and add a keyboard command to run that shortcut like I did, and you'll be able to shut down your computer at any time you feel like it. And because it's a series of keys like Control and then Alt and S, that way you won't normally accidentally press those buttons, so your computer won't shut down like that. Before I end off, there's just one final step that you guys can do. You can take this shutdown button and drag it over to your taskbar, and now you have a nice shutdown button here for you to use. Though another thing is the way we did it, the command we used for this was shutdown shutdown minus S space minus T and then space the time. Rather than that, if you want to make a restart shortcut how I have done here, you just have to do the same command, shutdown. Rather than have minus S, you have a minus R, and space minus R minus T, and then the time you want. So yeah, I hope this video helped you guys out. Please let me know what you guys think. I kind of developed it myself, so don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and share this video as well, guys. Thank you, and take care.